Hello dear student, today we are going to start inverse trigonometric function. This is second chapter of class 12 NCERT mathematics. So let's start. As you see the chapter name inverse trigonometric function. So we are going to study inverse of trigonometric functions. First we try to understand what is inverse means. If a functions f of y, if a functions from f of x to y, okay, let we consider a functions from f of x to y. There exists a function g of y to x. Then g is called inverse of f and g is written as f inverse. So what? If a functions from f of x to y, there exists a function g from y to x, then g is called inverse of f and g is written as f inverse x. So f inverse y to x. So what you understand, we write the inverse as like this, y to x. For having inverse, we have to satisfy two conditions. Number one, 1 1. Number 2, on 2. Invertible of a function is only possible when the functions become 1 1. Otherwise 1 1 and on 2. Otherwise invertible is not possible. Okay, what I am saying, inverse of a function is only possible when the function is 1 1 and on 2 both. That means bijective functions. So a functions f of a to b. Suppose this is a functions. Inverse of this function is only possible when it's bijective function. That means these functions having 1 1 and on 2 both. Then its inverse is possible. Then we write b to a. Okay. Simply what we see, for having inverse, the function satisfy both 1 1 and on 2, then inverse is written like this, f inverse equal to b to a. Simply we interchange their sets. Domain become range, range become domain. So first we try to understand what is 1 1 and onto means. We already study 1 1 and onto function in first chapters. So let's see once again. So if f of x to y is a functions for 1 1, what we understand? What we understand? All the element of set x have distinct image in y, then we call 1 1 functions. And for onto functions, all the element of set y have pre-image in x. Okay, once again, for 1 1, we see the set x. All the element of set x have distinct image in set y. Then we call 1 1 functions. For onto function, all the element of set y have pre-image in x. Then we call onto function. So let's see in pictorial diagram. I take another set. This is x and y. Let 1, 2, 3 be the element of x and a, b, c the element of y. This is the functions. Okay, this is the functions. 1 1 means all the element of this set. All the element of these sets have distinct image in y. Then we call 1 1 functions. For onto functions, what we understand, all the element of y have pre-image in here. Let's relate 1 with some a, 2 with b, 3 with c. I relate 1 with a, 2 with b, 3 with c. So we see this set y, okay, set y, all the element of set y 1, 2, 3 have distinct image, that is for 1 a, for 2 b, for 3 c. So then we call 1 1 functions. Okay, once again, all the element of set x have distinct image in y, then we call 1 1. For onto, we see the element of second set, that is y. All the element of second set have pre-image in x. Okay, so we see a 1, b 2, c 3. Then it's onto also. Okay, so inverse is possible for these relations. So we write the inverse as like this. You see here, inverse of this is, we write like this y, and I will draw another this x now, and this is f inverse now. Okay, this we write a, b, c, and this side 1, 2, 3. So we relate like this now. Okay, so what I'm saying that invertible function only possible when our functions become 1 1 and onto both, otherwise invertible is not possible. So these functions have, I'm taking some element, this we prove this 1 1 and onto, so invertible of that function is not possible. So let us take some example which is not 1 1 and onto functions, and we see that function is invertible or not. So let a functions from f of c to d. Okay, f of c to d. So here I draw the pictorial diagram. Let's take the element of c, b1, 2 and 3, and the element of d are a, b. This is c, this d. Okay, ma'am, this f. I relate 1 to a, 2 to a, and 3 to b. Okay, as you see, this function is not 1 1. This function is not 1 1 because 1 and 2 have what? This a. 1 relate with a, 2 relate with a, 3 is different. So for 1 1, what we understand, every element of set this c, set c here, 1 2 3, every element of this domain have distinct image, but here 1 and 2 is here. 1 and 2 relate to same element, so it's not distinct. So function is not 1 1, not 1 1. Okay, so what we understand, therefore this function is not invertible. Invertible of this function is not possible. Let's check. As you see here, I write the inverse of this, f inverse d to c. So let's check it's invertible or not. Here d means a, b, element of c is 1 2 3. Okay, a relate with this and a relate with also a and b relate with c. So as you see, this mapping for having function, what we understand, every element of these are unique image, but this not functions because a have two images here, not unique. So this not considered as a function, is not considered as a functions. Okay, so inverse is not possible. This is not considered as a functions, inverse is not possible. So if a function is not 1 1, then invertible is not possible. If you rotate, this not becoming functions. For having functions, what we understand, every element of this has unique image, but a has two different images. This not considered functions, so there is not questions about the inverse. Let's take another example. I'll take a functions from e to f. Okay, a functions from e to f. I'll take the functions e has 1 2. This is e and this is f. I'll take x y z. Okay, map. I relate 1 with x, 2 with y. Now I'll see this function is 1 1. Okay, this function is 1 1 because every element of this is distinct image, but this function is not onto because every element of f has not pre-image in here. We see z is left. Okay, x has pre-image, that is 1, y has pre-image, that is 2, but z left. What about onto? Onto means, so what we understand, every element of this set have pre-image in here. So here z is left, that's why we not consider this as onto functions. So these functions also not invertible. You see here, I draw the inverse function these days, but we will see here, if we map this, inverse is not possible because for having functions, every element of this is related to next, but here this z is left. Okay, for having functions, what we understand, every element of this set is related to that sets, but here not every, x is related, y is related, z is not related. So this not considered as a function, this is not functions, so inverse is not possible. Okay, if this relation is not functions, then there is a not inverse. So if a function is not 1 1, then inverse is not possible. If the function is not onto, then also inverse is not possible. From the above discussion, we know that invertible of a function is only possible when the function is 1 1 and onto. That means bijective. That is f of x to y. The inverse is only possible when the function is 1 1 and onto both. So these all are basic basic informations we have to know before studying inverse of trigonometric function.